Welcome to this tutorial, in which we will show you how to license your MDB-USB interface. This method will work with both versions, MDB-USB Standard and MDB-USB Ultra. The first step is to download the MDB Tool Chest software from our online documentation website and make sure you have Java installed. You will find the link in the video's description. Open the MDB Tool Chest and plug in your device into your computer. Click Connect on the toolbar, choose your device from the drop-down menu, and click OK. Check the status bar at the bottom and confirm that no license is associated to the connected device. On the menu, click License, then click Redeem Coupon, paste your coupon in the blank field and click OK. A message will appear confirming a successful process. Now your device is licensed. Now, if you want to connect the same interface into another computer, you just need to go to the toolbar, click Connect, choose your device from the drop-down menu and click OK. Then click License and Reinstall License. A successful message will appear. If you want to know your license key, click on License on the toolbar, and this time, click Manage. Now you can check your license key.